guys, welcome back to my channel. Keep watching to learn how to make your own 3-ingredient bouncy balls. These are super easy, super fun, and of course, super bouncy. Alright, so in a bowl, combine half a cup warm water and 1 tablespoon of borax. As a disclaimer, borax can cause skin irritation, so you may want to wear gloves. And it's not edible, so don't eat it. Now stir the borax mixture until it dissolves. In another bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of white liquid glue, and food coloring. Now pour the glue mixture into the water and borax bowl. Make sure to really soak the glue, and within about 10 seconds it'll begin to harden. Roll the mixture in your hands and then just let it dry. I tried this out a few times with different glues. So here I'm remaking the borax solution. And this time I'm pouring 2 tablespoons of clear glue and adding glitter. I emptied this into the borax solution and did the same I did with the other bouncy ball. So I'm just mixing it in with a fork and pulling it out to shape it. For this last bouncy ball, I tried out this really cool metallic glue. I have to say, the ones with only glue turned out a little bit more bouncy. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope these bouncy balls worked out for you, and as always, feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. You can also like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and check out my other videos. I'll see you next time. Bye!